Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that if you want to print the document on Google Docs with the comments, how we can easily do this. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is to go to the file menu and go to the download option from here and just download the Microsoft Word document. Now the problem here is if you would try to print it with comments directly in Google Docs, you won't be able to do this, and there is no option how we can enable this. So let's try this and just head over to the download and just download a Google Docs. So I'll place it for my convenience on the desktop. Just open this up, and if it shows you the protected view, just click on enable the editing, and now just go to the file menu and click on print here, and it will show you the print preview with the comments. That means the comments will be printed in the print. So if you want to make this sure, what you can do is just go to the Microsoft Print to PDF, and whenever you click on print from here, it will ask you to save it as a PDF. So that way, this is just a confirmation to show that whether the comments will be shown in the print as well. So just open the PDF document and just scroll down to see if the comments are printed, and we have the comments right here. So guys, just try it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.